Hello students, in this video we will see new chapter that is producing and storing of food. Now what do you mean by producing and storing of food? In our day-to-day life, generally we are doing so many works and for doing that work we need energy. And from where we are getting that energy? From food we are getting our energy. So food is also a basic need after water and air. The third thing which is needed to us, that is food. So we will also discuss about the food, that how our farmers are growing this crop and how it reaches to the particular uh, to us, so that we can use this food for eating purpose. So there are various steps to be taken to grow the crops in the fields. Different crops need different kinds of steps. Different steps are taken for different crops, but here are few steps that are common for all kind of crops. So we will discuss what are that steps. Before that we will see what is this crop. So the plant we grow for our use are called crops. We have grown so many plants, but there are some plants which are of our use. Some plants are not of our use. That plants are not the crops. The plants which are of our use, that is known as crops. Some crops give us food, some crops give us fibers. The crops which are giving us food are known as food crop, and the things like cotton, the plants which are giving us cotton, are known as fiber crop. So various kind of crops are there which are give, it depends what are it is used for which purpose, that kind of crop it will be. If the crop is used for food purpose, then it is a food crop. If the crop is used for making cloth purpose, then it is a fiber crop. Now many things have to be done to see a crop grows well. Like a farmer is growing a crop, then he need to see that his crop is growing well. So he need to take various steps to grow his crop well. Different crop need different kinds of soil, different amount of water, and so on. But there are some general steps that are taken to make any crop grow well. So we will discuss that only, that what are the basic steps to be taken to grow all kinds of crop. So here are some steps. First one is ploughing, then second is improving fertility, then next is fertilizer, then next is sowing seed, then next irrigation, then next is protecting crop, then next is harvesting, and then storing and canning to the food. So after all this step, the food reaches to us either in the form of containers or in the form of packed food. So in this way, the crop which is grown by the farmer in the fields, in this way it reaches to the us and we can use this product. So in this video we will see that how these steps are taken by the farmers to grow their crop. One by one we will see each and every step, that what farmers are doing in particular step, how much they are spending like this, and how much hard work they have to do. Farmers are doing too much hard work to grow their crop. That's why whenever we are eating, we should take care of the food items and we should not waste the food item, because a farmer is doing a lots of effort to grow their crop, and we should thank him for growing and not to waste the food items, because not only farmer but it's hard work also giving you food. So we should take care of that food item. In this video only this much. One by one we will see topic in a next video. Thank you.